Hi, it's a gorgeous afternoon in Perth today, so I thought I'll take the opportunity to come outside and film the introduction to my next tutorial right next to these beautiful orange clavier plants that have just popped out and they're gorgeous. So the tutorial I'm going to do today is gel printing with these grass seed heads. And you can see they're already gorgeous colours because I've already been printing with them. I picked these grass seeds just in our local park. They're weeds, but they do make really nice prints. The idea came to me when a lady in one of my gel printing groups on Facebook posted a picture and said she wondered how the technique was done. And the technique was like this, where you have an interesting background and then a white silhouette of the plant on top. So the backgrounds can be sort of intricate plant prints. But the secret is in the final pull, where you put one of these plants over the top and use it as a mask before you print the final layer. So this is the one I'm going to show you how to do today. The interesting seed heads in the background and then that nice white silhouette on the top. My name's Amber from Amber Benson Art, and well, let's get straight on with the printing. I'm going to use a little bit of cobalt blue, a little bit of this violet, and a touch of Payne's grey. Oh no, let's go for this purple. Turn that that way. I've got a book here to roll off any excess paint. Mix this purple around a little bit first. Pink. And move on to the purple. And then the blue. Try and run those all in together. Okay. Let's lay in our plants. Oops. That's okay. I'll just lay that on top of this cover print. Build up some layers on that. That looks pretty good. Absorb a bit more on top of this one, particularly at the top. Over that, take these off. Now I need this to dry totally before we move on to the next layer. You're so dry, I don't know why. You're so dry like summer in July. So what I want is a very light grey in the background. So predominantly white. But a little bit of Payne's grey. hope I've got this light enough, the effect I was looking at. One seed head in there. Just go like that. And I'm just going to pull this onto straight copy paper as we're experimenting. Press this down really well around the plant. I'm going to dry it with the hairdryer.
So dry, I'm not gonna lie. Time to let go, time to say goodbye.
Okay, fingers crossed we can get a good pull. So far so good. Pulling the gel plate off the print as opposed to the print off the gel plate. This often gets you a much better release. Oh, I think it's going to be a nice one. Slowly does it. There we go. That's a beauty. Look at that. So you've got a lot of detail of the seeds in the background. And then this interesting silhouette in the middle. Happy with that.